Welcome to the Referral Roleplay in-depth tutorial. In this video, we're going to walk through how Referrizer's referral program works in a real-world scenario. Referral programs are one of the most powerful tools in your marketing arsenal. When done right, they not only bring in new customers, but also help retain existing ones by rewarding them for spreading the word. Let's show you how the referral program works in Referrizer. It all starts from a single check-in. When a customer visits you, they will get checked in. For this scenario, we will manually check a person in from the back end to simulate the situation. Upon check-in, the current customer will receive a text promoting the referral and loyalty programs. If they click on the link in the text message, the web app will open up. This is where the referral and loyalty programs are located. The referral program is front and center, and the whole box is linked. It works like this. The current customer will click on the box and choose one of the presented ways to share the offer with their friends or family members. On their phone, they will also have the option to share the offer via a text message. The target will receive a message from a person they know, their friend, promoting the business. This makes the link that they receive easier and safer to click for them. When they click the link, they will be presented with the offer which they can claim. They can claim the offer by entering their phone number and any additional info that you've added you'd like to collect from them. The offer is now claimed. They will start getting automated messages to remind them of the offer and to visit your business. You will also receive a quick connect call that will help you get in touch with the new lead and schedule their visit. If you want to check who claimed one of your offers, you can do so by going to your dashboard and clicking on the Offers Claimed button. Here you can see every single contact that has claimed one of your offers. And here is our new lead. For our current customer to receive our referral reward, the offer needs to be redeemed in the back end. We don't give out a referral reward just for someone claiming a claim to free offer. Redeeming an offer tells the system, hey, this person did in fact complete their purchase. Let's say that this person did in fact visit the business and completed their purchase. Now it is time to redeem the offer and give the current customer their referral reward. You can redeem offers manually and also automatically. Let's go over how to do it manually first. Once you locate the specific contact that did in fact visit the business and you want to redeem his offer, you will go to his profile page in the contacts and then scroll a bit down, and under offers, you will click the redeem button for the specific offer. You will need to enter your PIN code to confirm the redemption process. By default, this is the last 4 digits of your business phone number. You can also add a note after you redeem the offer to keep track. After you click on the redeem button, the current customer will now receive their referral reward. And we can check it out here. After we refresh, we can see now that the current customer did in fact receive their $5 in store credit. There is an option to automatically reward someone for successfully referring their friend. This can be done in the offers and referrals settings. In the basic tab, we can turn the automatic reward application to on and then enter the credit or loyalty points we use for our referral reward. The reward application can be automated based on number of check-ins or if the client becomes a member. Now we can also talk about how to use the store credit for the current customer that successfully got their friend to join the business. You can do this from their phone by clicking the store credit button and deducting the amount. Remember to not share your employee PIN code with your customers. Take their phone and do it yourself or do it from the back end. This is how you would do it from their phone. And to do it from the back end, you would go to Contacts. In the back end, you will want to go to the Contact section, find the specific contact, and go to their page. And under Manual Adjustments, you can deduct the credit. You will need to verify the deduction by entering the employee PIN code. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more.